At the Wrestle Kingdom press conference, the Rainmaker Kazuchika Okada and Switchblade Jay White got face to face.
You remember the last time that me and you sat in a setting like this at a table? I believe it was January 6th this year when you actually invited me into Chaos and I was joining Chaos.
新しいケオスのメンバーを紹介したいと思います。新しいケオスのメンバーの J ホワイトです。
See, on that day, I told you that I would come for you, and you laughed. So from that day, that's when you sealed your fate. You're the one that triggered all of these events.
And now, not content with what he did to Tanahashi, he's going after the leader of Chaos. God damn it, Jay! And now Blade Runner! You motherfucker! God damn it!
I took your best friend from you. I made him turn on you after, what was it, 6 or 7 years of you two working so closely together?
What the hell? What are you doing? Chaos just smashed Okada! Please with the Switchblade! New era!
本当に僕は早く J とシングルがやりたいです。
Whoa, Okada going right after Jay White. Pescado to the outside.
本当にレッスルキングダムにふさわしい戦いになるかどうかはわからないですけども、早く J を潰したいです。
Now Okada even giving a shot to a young lion. He's fighting his way free because he wants his hands on Jay White.
一昨日 J がいつでもどこでもいいと言ってたので。
Me and you, one on one, let's go. Anytime, anywhere. I've had enough of this. Me and you leave your boys out of it. I'll leave mine out of it. Me and you, one on one, anytime.
Once I beat the mighty Okada at Wrestle Kingdom, I can do whatever the fuck I want.
ただね、僕が今までやってきたことってのはそんなに安売りしてないんで、やれるもんならやってみろ。
This grudge match will finally happen one-on-one January 4th at the Tokyo Dome. The Rainmaker Kazuchika Okada versus Switchblade Jay White at Wrestle Kingdom. Hit subscribe for more episodes of The Wire so you don't miss out on all the latest news. And watch the biggest matches unfold live at NJPWWorld.com.